Mitten, listen. Do you hear that? There is a song. Grandpa, there is something under the ice. It sings.
The ice sings, child. Cold ice always sings. Now, soup.
Then come with me, please. I must show you.
Very well, but we walk together. Always together.
Mitten found something. What is it, boy? Grandpa, look! A little whale.
Well, in all my years, she is only a child herself.
Grandpa, look! A little whale.
Well, in all my years.
You have a little star. So I will call you Star.
Nila, the open sea is very far, and this hole is freezing. Morsing. 2.
1, 3. Wake up! Wake up! There is a little whale under the ice. She cannot reach the sea. We must help her tonight.
Bring the saws. Bring the lanterns. Bring warm bread. We walk on the ice together, slowly and safely.
Hole number 1.
1.
This way, Star. Follow the light. Follow the lanterns.
Warm bread, warm hands. Nobody works cold in my town.
Mitten, give me back my mitten. 2, 3, 4.
The ice is too thick here. We cannot cut through this.
But the sea is on the other side. Star is tired. Please don't go, everyone. We can do it. I know we can.
Quiet now. There, a thin channel of the ridge. The sea says so.
They're coming back. Mitten, they're coming back. 6, 7. Yeah, Nila!
Always two to mill chumming.
It's all right. You are safe now. Go on, Star. Go home. The sun came back too.
A long night is not forever. You heard her when nobody else did. The stick is yours now.
Every winter, I promise. Grandpa, she came back!
And look, she brought someone.
Today is Mum's birthday. Let's make a surprise party!
We're going to dry it out, but leave hands round our balloons. Well, whatever plan, here is for our guys.
Can I blow up the balloons? Yes, let's put up the balloons. Oh no! My balloon is too big!
Ha ha! Let me help you, Max.
Here is Mom's present.
A gold box with a blue ribbon.
let's hang the flags.
The room looks beautiful.
Oh no, it is 4:30. We must hurry. This event already. Imaginary phone call coming in. The phone is ringing. It is Mom. Hello, Mom. Where are you?
She is coming now. Quick, everyone! Yay!
I will light the candles.
Now turn off the lights. Hurry. Shh! Everybody hide. I am behind the sofa.
Hello? I am home. Why is it so quiet?
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mom!
Oh my goodness! What a wonderful surprise! Thank you, my darlings!
Make a wish, Mom.
Hooray! Best birthday ever! We love you, Mom.
John, is he your new teacher?
Yes, he is my new teacher.
Is he a good teacher?
Yes, he is very good. Sarah, is your house big?
Yes, my house is very big.
Is the door blue?
No, the door is white. Michael, are they your friends?
Yes, they are my friends.
Are they at school today?
No, they are at home.
David, are you tired today?
No, I am very energetic.
Are you ready for the game?
Yes, I am completely ready.
Emily, is this our new car?
Yes, this is our new car.
Is it fast and safe?
Yes, it is very fast and safe.
James, is the weather cold today?
Yes, it is very cold and windy.
Is it raining outside right now?
No, it is just cloudy.
Anna, is she your sister?
Yes, she is my older sister.
Is her hair long or short?
Her hair is very long. Robert, is the soup hot?
Yes, the soup is very hot.
Is it spicy and delicious?
Yes, it is very delicious. Maria, is that your new dog?
Yes, it is my new dog.
Is it a friendly animal?
Yes, it is very friendly.
William, is the building old?
No, the building is very new. Is the room clean and bright? Yes, it is very clean.
Olivia, is this your book?
Yes, that is my favorite book.
Is the story interesting?
Yes, the story is great.
Thomas, is your shirt clean?
Yes, my shirt is perfectly clean.
Is the fabric soft?
Yes, it is very soft.
Laura, are these your keys?
No, those are not my keys.
Are they on the table?
Yes, they are on the table.
Daniel, is the park beautiful?
Yes, the park is very beautiful.
Is it quiet in the morning?
Yes, it is very quiet.
Sophia, are those your shoes?
Yes, those are my black shoes.
Are they comfortable for walking?
Yes, they are very comfortable.